Today, we're diving into something really exciting, the Wharfedale Diamond 12.1. These budget-friendly bookshelf speakers have been making waves, and after spending some serious listening time with them, I get why. But are they just another value for money pick, or do they actually bring true audiophile magic under $300? Let's find out. Wharfedale has been a legendary name in hi-fi since 1932. Founded by Gilbert Briggs in the quaint English town of Ilkley, this brand has long stood for quality, heritage, and innovation. Over the decades, Wharfedale's journey has had its highs and lows. From pioneering speaker designs to being briefly lost in the world of budget electronics. But more recently, they've returned to form, especially with their famous Diamond range. Let's talk about design. These are seriously well built for the price. Each speaker is compact, just over 12 inches tall, but has a surprising heft. At nearly 7 kilos each, the cabinet uses a wood fiber composite with internal bracing to reduce resonance, and the rear port design gives them flexibility when it comes to placement. The star of the show is the new Clarity mid-bass driver, a polypropylene and mica blend designed to combine stiffness with clarity. Wharfedale wanted to avoid that dull plastic sound you sometimes get from poly drivers, and mission accomplished. Add in a 25mm woven polyester dome tweeter, a precision magnet system with an aluminum ring for low distortion. This thing is packed with thoughtful engineering. Now yes, these are made in China. But here's the key difference. Wharfedale's parent company, IAG, owns the factory. That means over 90% of parts, including screws, are made in-house. Compared to my Monitor Audio Bronze 50s, the Wharfedales had a richer, more spacious soundstage. Bass was more present, but never muddy. Highs shimmered, mids felt natural, and there was a real sense of cohesion. Even against the warmer Q Acoustics 3020i or the slightly pricier 3030i, the 12.1s held their ground. They're balanced, dynamic, and seriously musical. They don't shout, they sing. If you've played with amps like the Rega Brio-R or Audiolab 6000A, the Diamond 12.1s feel more in line with the Audiolab's sound, clean, even-handed, and full-bodied. Nothing dominates. Everything works together in harmony. That makes them incredibly versatile across genres and setups. Wharfedale Diamond 12.1 pros and cons. Pros: clear, balanced, and musical sound. Works well with many amps. Excellent value under $300. Cons: made in China, though well controlled. Rear port needs space from the walls. So, are these the best budget bookshelf speakers of the year? Honestly, maybe. For under $300, you're getting detail, dynamics, and musicality that just shouldn't be possible at this price. Whether you're upgrading from a basic setup or diving into hi-fi for the first time, the Wharfedale Diamond 12.1s are an absolute gem.